What's up guys, I'm Helen and welcome again to my game. Today I'm happy to announce that I'm officially became part of Greenstuffworld family as a collaborator for Italy. Thanks so much for this opportunity, GSW. This really means a lot to me and I want to share it with all of you who follow me. In this box given to me, there are many great products that I want to show you, and in the future I will make a specific post for everything. But now, let's see what's inside. A giant wet palette. An airbrush with 0.2 needle, with which I will make a video comparison with all of my airbrushes. UV resin. Paper plants, reeds, ferns, water lily. Green putty with gap. Resin fish. Adhesive color wheel. Runic pin roll. Procreate putty, material that I love, which I used to sculpt a giant tentacle in another video. Teeny engraved runes. This runic material I will need for a future project that I already have in mind. And what to say more, I'm super excited about this new adventure. Stay tuned for updates. I wish you the best from a cave.